Not y'all sending me hair that stink. Child. Anyway, let's get into Tutorial Tuesday with a side part quick weave using her hair company deep curly bundles in 18, 20, and 22 inches. First, you want to start by washing these bundles fresh out the pack and then letting them air dry. It did take the smell away, so now we can start with the style. Start by parting out your leave out and then braid down your foundation. Add your cap on and then take a white eyeliner pencil and sketch out everywhere your hair is braided where your tracks will go so that you can know where to place your glue protectant and your tracks. Use your hand blow dryer or sit under the dryer so your glue protectant can dry completely, and then we're going to start placing our tracks. So the first two tracks, we're going to lay them directly in the front so that they lay directly in our face. Now, because this is curly hair, I've learned from my mistakes. I'm not going to be cutting these tracks, so I am going to be doing a flip over glued method to avoid unnecessary shedding. So all that means is basically once you get to the end of where that track is going to be, you're going to add glue to your cap and then flip over the track to then start the next row, and ensure that you blow dry that first part so that once you move on, it doesn't detach itself from your head. So after you've got your first two tracks laying towards your face, you want to then work around and start placing the tracks in a horizontal way until you get to about the midpoint of your head so that you can start going back up onto your bang area. Please do not let this method intimidate you. The only thing that is different is instead of you cutting the weft, you're going to be placing glue on your actual cap, which is protected by the glue protectant, and flipping over your track so that you can prevent unnecessary shedding. Once you've done a couple of rows, it becomes easier and you're able to move a little bit quicker. I actually like this method a lot because, like I said, it does protect the hair from unnecessary shedding, and when I remove this, it's going to be so easy. Like, I'm not going to have to worry about which track goes where when I reuse the hair. So we are going to do a invisible part with the curly hair and a side part. It's no different from a middle part. I have a detailed tutorial on my page. Go check it out. Now for styling, the curls are absolutely beautiful, but I wanted some very big curls, so I blow dried the hair out and then did wand curls. Let me know if you want a tutorial on that. It was super easy. This hair is absolutely beautiful, minimum shedding. The curls are beautiful and soft and luscious. Check out her hair company.